Breaking news that's coming in right now. Another sensational allegation by the NCP and the NCP leader and State Minority Affairs Minister from Maharashtra, Nawab Malik. Nawab Malik has said that BJP leader's relative was caught and let off during the cruise raid in Mumbai. Malik says that one of the persons detained on the cruise was Rishabh Sachdev, but he was immediately released by the Narcotics Control Bureau after the Mumbai drugs bust. Rishabh, he says, is the brother-in-law of a BJP leader, Mohit Kamboj. Mohit Kamboj is the former president of the Mumbai BJP youth wing. That's another sensational charge which the NCP is now levelling against the NCB, the Narcotics Control Bureau, saying that a BJP leader's brother-in-law was first caught and then let off. Kamlesh Sudar is now joining me on the phone line. Kamlesh, another sensational allegation, several question marks being raised on the NCB drugs raid.
Follow me, and this is another sensational claim in the league of the allegations that Nawab Malik has been making. Remember, he had earlier made allegations about two private individuals being present, and today he had said that vague statements were given after the raid by zonal director of NCB, Samir Wankhede, saying that 11 people were detained, and by the morning the number came down to 8. 3 people who were let off. One of them was Rishabh Sachdeva, who Nawab Malik alleges is the brother-in-law of a former BJP Yuva Morcha Mumbai's president, Mohit Kamboj. He's been a known face in BJP circles in Mumbai and also in Maharashtra. He had contested one Vidhan Sabha elections in 2014 as well, perhaps from the Dindoshi constituency in suburban Mumbai. Is known close to top BJP leaders in Maharashtra, and he said that he was let off. His father, Rishabh Sachdeva's father, was present, and several calls were made from his phone to several top BJP leaders. Also, another sensational allegation that Nawab Malik, the Minority Affairs Minister of Maharashtra, is making that Aryan Khan was implicated in the case. 2 other persons, Pratik Gaba and Amir Furniturewala, these 2 friends of Aryan Khan, had brought him to the ship to implicate him, and they were together with Rishabh Sachdeva. So that is another sensational claim and allegation made by Nawab Malik. He has presented certain video footage where he has claimed that these 3 people were seen going inside the NCB office on that night of the raid and were immediately let off. Now, he has also questioned that in such a short span of interrogation, what questions were asked, what interrogation was done, and what information did Samir Wankhede have that he immediately let them go off. So these are several questions that the NCP is demanding answer from. Nawab Malik has made earlier allegations, and he also made allegations about how 2 different addresses were provided by the Punch, the story that India Today reported earlier this morning. And also, now he's claiming that in case BJP wants me to give this information, they should set up an inquiry commission, and then all this information will be provided. But these are very serious allegations. The NCP and also the BJP will have to answer.
Absolutely. Very serious allegations which are being levelled by the NCP in Maharashtra, saying that in fact, there was an individual who was caught in the drugs bust and was then let off because he is related to a BJP leader. Also, something very serious that in fact you pointed towards from those allegations which were levelled by Nawab Malik. Kamlesh, you said that Pratik Gaba and Amir Furniturewala were also in fact caught in that drugs bust case, and in fact are 2 individuals who brought Aryan Khan onto that cruise in order to implicate him. Could you clarify on that?
Well, indeed, that is what Nawab Malik says, that if 11 people out of the 1,300 people that were on that cruise for that party, only 11 people were detained, and further they were arrested, and of that 3 people were let off and only 8 people were arrested for further action. Now, why these 3 people were let off is the question that the NCP minister is raising here. What was the line of interrogation, and what did they found? What was found so incriminating on these 3 people? And these 3 people were let off and they were taken inside, detained to the NCB office, which is seen in the video footage that Nawab Malik has shown in the press conference. He said these 3 people were let off, of which one is the relative of a BJP leader. Mohit Kamboj is an influential leader in Mumbai. As I earlier said, he is the former president of Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha Mumbai, and also known close to several top BJP leaders in the state. And Nawab Malik is claiming that all the phone calls to top BJP leaders in the state were made from his father's phone, and political influence was used to let him go off. Also, the second part which I mentioned, 2 other people who were accompanying Aryan Khan and Rishabh Sachdeva, Amir Furniturewala, one, and second person is Pratik Gaba. They had brought Aryan Khan there, and the entire exercise is a big fraud. That is what is being alleged by Nawab Malik.
Very, very serious allegations that are being leveled by the NCP against the Narcotics Control Bureau. Some questions for the NCB over there, some questions for the zonal director of the NCB, Samir Wankhede, who, of course, has been charged with conducting a fraudulent exercise by the NCP and Maharashtra's Minority Affairs Minister, Nawab Malik. Kamlesh, thank you so much for bringing us up to speed with all of those developments. Now, this is the latest allegation